got to start on
What
daily work. That don't make
the
no
hell
difference to me.
is this, people? What is this?
They get started. You can
Look at this.
Huh?
Hey. Go ahead and do your thing, man. Hey. The things you see in Michigan, boy. What's up, man? That's nice, man. Yeah. Yo, me and this guy in downtown Royal Oak just doing it for the vlog.
You know, don't put me on Black Friday vlog.
Man, my subscribers don't want to see your ugly ass anyway.
Get up.
You see this? Downtown Royal Oak, Michigan, you know what I'm saying? Just chilling. It's my favorite spot over there. I don't know if y'all can see it. That little Coney Island spot over there. Almost every time I come down here, I'll go get some Coney. You know what I'm saying? I'm just chilling, sitting on the wall right now.
Get up. How many followers you got?
How many subscribers?
Same thing.
No, well, whatever.
Same thing.
Both 17.
17.
My YouTube, I'll make it fun. Your YouTube, what do I try this, Mister? You know what? Stats. Look at them stats right there.
Like what?
That's all we get is stats down. Gonna come down here just like that, but don't want to give a dude some play.
You can see her booty when she wore, like her actual booty.
Man, she ready for the D.
Skirt, man.
Hey, she probably going to Mr. B's pub. You want to go?
Let's go. Go to who?
Mr. B's
No, I
pub.
don't want to Mr. B's pub. I gotta work.
Yeah, we just came from Mr. B's pub. It was kind of dead down there.
You went to Mr. B's.
Yeah. Look at this. He just got challenged, man. I like that, man. I like that. What, man? I'm vlogging. I have to vlog that real quick. He gonna stop because I'm laughing. Guys, this is the most hilarious shit in my life. Got out the bar, you know, about to head to the crib. He gonna say I just got out the bar. We just got out the bar.
Nigga, I did karaoke. I got out the karaoke.
Oh yeah, he did karaoke too. That nigga was hilarious. When you guys see that, you guys are gonna ha 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 till y'all die.
Nigga, karaoke. It's called karaoke.
Yeah, fun night. You know what I'm saying? Fun night, fun night. But yeah, I'll see you guys in another life.